I think we have put up the case. The various scenarios have been presented during the workshop, and we'll have now to wait for the ultimate report, which ultimately guides the government into which direction to go. Because the government is serious in wanting to control this particular issue of erosion. Because if we permit erosion, one is we are losing land. But more important than that, if the water ingress starts, even our drinking water sources will be, it's not contaminated, contaminated is the wrong word, but our present wells and all that will all turn salty. So it is a major issue, and it is our endeavour to try and arrest the situation as fast as possible. Our Chief Minister is very keen that we should do something immediately.
So any possible solutions have come up in this workshop, sir?
No, that is what I am saying. You see, unfortunately, people from Delta could not come for the workshop because they were denied visas by Government of India. So that is why it was done virtual. The VC had to be done that way. In fact, I was toying with the idea of postponing the workshop, but unfortunately, people had come from various parts of the country. They had already reached Goa. So that is why I said virtual, let us start somewhere. And that is why we took it upon ourselves and had this virtual workshop. But they have now got data. So you see, each state has a different conditions prevailing in other states are different. We want to learn from their experiences what type of measures they had undertaken to see whether those measures have been of any use. Now we'll get the report and let us see what is there.